Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, after saying for my whole career that I was gonna get new parts, we have new parts. We got some Roach moto grips. You might wonder why. Look at this. First fall, I think that was one of my first fall. And the second fall right here. This is my setup for right now, cause I really don't know what to do. I know how to put this on. I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial to put my what's it called? My pegs in. Look the difference. Look at the difference. Warp 9 brakes. I mean pegs. Stock specs. This is gonna be a major ass upgrade. So when I do the prohibit word, which is, you guys know. So today we're gonna be doing that. Well, okay guys, I made some advancements on putting the pegs together. It looks so clean. The first one is already done. Already put in the situation. The spring is the hardest part to put in. Apart from that, it's very easy to put some pegs. I thought it was gonna be fucking hard as fuck. Look at the difference on the pegs. Like, how you not gonna tell me this is a major upgrade? Look! Oh my god, I did not know this was creepy like this. Oh lord. I think this was from the fall? When I fall? I don't know. Like, look at that side. Look at that side. Then look at this trash ass peg. I'm gonna take this out and put this on right now. So yeah. Well, that was my major advancement. Then I'm gonna move on to the listings, of course. So I catch y'all when this one is ready. So yeah, I'll see y'all right now. Well, here you guys have it. The old grips. Look, you can see the fucking marks right here. So yeah, the second one was way easier than what's it called, to put than the first one. So I'm gonna leave those right there. So yeah, they look so clean. Oh my gosh, and I did it all by myself. But now we're moving on into, oh fuck, y'all see that? I took it off and I just recently seen this. I took this off. This is good. I'm gonna take this out. Bro, this is a major ass upgrade. Just like, oh my god. Yeah, I think I might just, no, I need the thing. I need the greaser thingy. I'm gonna do that, and I'll catch ya when both of them are installed. Okay, my wrecker will have to be from right here to the wheel wither. Oh! Okay, I got it right there. Okay. Is it recording? Okay. Ah, come on. Ah. But I mean, the grips, this has helped me a lot in my wheelies. If y'all cannot tell, I have not been sliding. The next upgrade is gonna be a seat cover. That's gonna be the next thing. Cause I got the grips. Mike is looking good. I just gotta, you know, freaking, what's it called? Clean it, shower. You feel me? But apart from that, I mean, it's very good. Like, yeah, like the only thing sliding is my butt. So like, let's see. Let's not get too confident, because in one of those I could loop, so I don't want to do that. Plus it's 5:11. I gotta go back like at 5:30. I mean 4:30. Slow. It's slow, and then you can just keep it going. I think that's the method. I think that might be. I think what I need to work now is my slow wheelies. Hey, because I can do that easy. Yeah. Well, I'm getting to do that. But if I want to do it slow, I cannot hold it for a long time. You feel me? Bit cool. Okay. Wait, oh Lord, I would have died right there. Okay, that was kind of power wheelie. I don't know. I still don't. I kind of know what power wheelie is and a wheelie is. You know what I'm saying? Like this, that's a power wheelie. And what I'm gonna do right here. That's a wheelie, I think. Right? Okay, that was 2. Alright, let's go. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, right there. I think in the balance point, I felt it. I felt like I was gonna loop. Oh Lord. Whoa. Oh, I got scared. Is that only one way? Oh Lord. Like what we doing? Okay. Just this. Fucking scared, bro. Hey, that was better. Oh my god. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. Let's head home, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next spot. Alright, made it to the second spot. We're gonna start hitting this. I think I can make them better if I go straight, and I have a big stretch of concrete right here. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I gotta get it on this sun part so y'all can see my shadow over here. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that right now, actually. I'm gonna hit this jump. I'm gonna hit this jump. I'm gonna hit that, and then I'm gonna turn back. Hey, I hope that caught it. My camera caught it, I think. I hope. We all hope, right? Come on. Hey. Hey. Oh Lord, I know that you're looking for me. Alright, let's go. I'm going straight, and then after a little bit, I'm not going straight. Looking for. That was a good one. I see some white old man. Probably caught the cops already. So I'll see ya in the next one. I'm Luca Martinez, and I'm out.